Hey everybody, it's Dave from Rolling Thunder Audio, Middletown, New York, with another video. This one's on this Subaru Legacy here. We're getting all the equipment ready to do a complete sound system. Basically, we're using Hertz, Artisan, and this big box here is a Kicker dual 12-inch sub box. We are doing a Rockford DSR1. We have the Artisan SR 6.600. That may be there. We have some Artisan APX 6.5s. And then the Hertz 6x9 component set. I'll show you that baby there. So we'll probably take some more photos, possibly more videos, but definitely at the end we will show you the video. All right, thanks. Hey everybody, Dave from Rolling Thunder Audio, Middletown, New York, with the second video for the Subaru. So we are basically done. This is everything we put in, although we actually put in a set of Artisan 6.5s, but the guys threw the box out before I had a chance. This video, I'll make a video with the pictures and everything we did. I'm just going to jump in the car. You'll get a quick idea on what it sounds like. That's all. So we did a 6x9 component set. We put the tweeter up here. We put the 6x9s down there. Pop the trunk. Pop the trunk. We put the amp. You're not gonna be able to see it, but we put the amp and everything underneath the passenger seat. We put some 6.5s in the rear doors. Pop the trunk, please. And
Already did.
oh. And then in the back, this was his old stuff that we took out. And in the back there, you can see we did the Kicker comp sub box. So that's everything for the 2018 Subaru Legacy. And once again, we're gonna have another happy Rolling Thunder Audio customer. Have any questions or need anything, give us a call at 845-344-6111. Oh, also, we put a hitch on the Audi today too. So I think I'll just show you that real quick. All right, till the next one. Thank you.